Hello there, Karan here, and in this video we are going to talk about a very simple CMD command which is used to create folders. The name of the command is MD. So MD stands for make directory, and how you use it, you just type MD and then name of the folder. Let's say I want to create a folder Karan. Okay, I'll press enter. So this didn't give us any error. That means it might be successful. So let's check it out. So right now we are in C users KVC. So let's quickly press Windows E, open our Explorer, C users KVC, and we need to find if there is a folder named Karan. There it is. We have a folder named Karan. Okay, so let's create a folder with my full name, Karanveer, CHOUHAN. If I type enter, it should create a folder named Karanveer Chauhan. And in reality, what it does is it creates a folder named Karanveer separately and then another folder named Chauhan. So why is CMD doing that? So CMD uses space as a delimiter. That means it breaks the command with spaces. That is why it knows that MD is a command and this is not a command, it's a parameter because of the space. So now how can I create a folder which has spaces in it in the name? So very simple. All you need to do is this just surrounded by double quotes, and if you press enter this time, and it should create a single folder with that name. Now most of the time when new programmers start with batch or try to create a script, their script won't work. They don't even know why it is not working. One of the main reason is that their path, for example, this is a path C users KVC. This path doesn't contain any spaces, but if I go into this folder, now the path contains spaces. So if you try to run a command directly like this, CMD will look entirely from here till here, and it will stop looking because there is a space now, and it will say, oh, file not found. But in reality, if you surround the entire path by double quotes, it will work. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, in the next coming series you will know. Okay, so what else this command can do? Let's have a look at it. So in CMD, if you don't know about any command, all you need to do is just type MD, the name of the command, and space, then slash question mark, and if you press enter here, awesome. So you know everything about the command that is told by the creator of the command. So this time this is created, I think, internal. This is an internal command created by Microsoft. So this MD command creates a directory. You can also call it as a folder. So the older version was mkdir, which is MD stands for M for make, D for dir, directory, and then you have to specify the path. That's all. So and now this part you can ignore, but as you are seeing a video which is dedicated to the MD command, so we need to explain that. And here there are some command extensions that are enabled by default in modern CMD environments. So suppose if I write this mkda, let's try to do that. Let's copy that and right click, and it's pasted. And if I type enter here, it didn't give me any error. Let's see. So I'll press refresh. Okay, so I'm in KVC. It says mkdir /a/b. Okay, I should start with a, not /a. Yeah, so it's creating a folder named A, and inside that is a B, inside that it is C, inside that it is a D. So what it means, why it is doing like that? So in reality, in the older versions of mkdir command or make directory command, the problem was if you have to create folders like we have seen, A inside B, inside C, inside D. if in reality in older version, if you have to create that, what you need to do is you need to write make directory a and then go into that directory by using change directory. We will talk about this in another video. uh, you can use change directory to go into a folder, that's all, or coming out of a folder. So that you're going into a, then you are creating b, then you're going into b, you are creating c, then you're going into c, creating d. So instead of writing all these commands just for creating four folders, nested four folders you can say, all you need to do is just do this. In reality, just do this. You don't need a forward slash in the beginning, and which is what you should have to type it if extensions were disabled. So there is one thing in CMD which is set local enable delayed expansion. We will dedicate another video on that. And enable extensions. So if you have seen older batch scripts, they literally use this enable extensions, set local enable extensions, because by default extensions were not available or enabled in the previous versions of command prompt environments. Here they are, so that's why you don't need to write this, you can directly do this. And enable delayed expansion is another story, we will talk about it in another video. So I think that's pretty much all. Yeah, I think nothing comes to my mind that we need to cover. In case if you have any doubt or any query, feel free to drop a comment in the comments section below. And yeah, do subscribe. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.